This time I'm going to show you how to cook lumpia or spring roll. For the ingredients, I have minced chicken, finely chopped garlic, about 2 cloves, onion, carrots, spring onions. And for the binder, I have also breadcrumbs, about 1/2 cup, 2 small eggs, and of course the wrapper. And for the seasoning, I'm going to use oyster sauce, pepper, and chicken powder. Let's put everything into the bowl. Chicken, garlic, onion already in the bowl. And I'm going to add carrots and spring onions and breadcrumbs and 1 egg. Also, oyster sauce, chicken powder, and pepper. So I'm going to mix this together. In this recipe, I use 600 grams of minced chicken, and the rest are approximation. I'm using my hand to mix the ingredients well. I took a small portion from the mixture to try how it is. My wife said it's perfect. So let's start wrapping. I am using this wrapper. I got it from Macro. Just put 1 tablespoon of the mixture and then add cheese. This is the leftover cheese from my previous recipe. And seal this with beaten egg. It's frying time. Low to medium heat only until golden brown.
Memories die out too hard. But we were traveling